To get free Padlet on Padlet app. Welcome guys, I will show you how to do this. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Padlet first like this. And right now after opening Padlet, go and click here on more. So after that, click on settings. And after that, you come right now and click on referrals. And right now, read this below. Is your unique referral link. Share it with people you want to invite. You get a free Padlet for every 3 friends who sign up from your link. So if you copy this link and share it with your friend and they sign up with your link, you will get a free Padlet. So it's very easy guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.